name is Ibrahim, and I'm very excited to show you my new project called Age of Magic. So this is my game, and these are the codes, and these are the sprites I've used. So this is the main menu of the whole game. This is the play button, this is the title. So this is the how to play button, so I'll press it to explain you how to play the game. This is the history button, which tells you about the secret of the whole game of this magical world. So I'm going to press the play button to play. I'm going to use my WASD keys to move and spacebar to shoot. I shoot sparkles, these kind of stars, and they hurt the ogres. I have to hurt the big ogres 3 times to kill them and earn points when I kill them. The small ogres are fast but have only 1 health. But the big ogres are quite slow, but they're very strong to kill. Oh, I'm level 10, so I can upgrade. I have the new stick. It's very fast but inaccurate. This is the super boss, and it takes about 20 shots to kill him. That's the mini boss, and it takes 10 shots to kill him. I unlocked a new sword. It shoots so much sparkles and is very, very inaccurate. It's like a spray gun. Oh no, it hurt me. That's my health bar also. I have to reach level 130 to win the game. Only a bit more left, just a bit more ogres to catch. So it says you win to inform me that I won and stop the game, so I'll not lose. Also, I'll need to tell you what it will look like if I will lose. So let's press stop. I'll just find an ogre and try to get myself killed. I exploded as a yellow foamy thing, and this game over sign is telling me that I am dead and I lost. And that's it for my presentation. Hope you like it.